works. So you can see some of my faucet. It's a little dirty. I have it, the stainless, you can see how dirty it is. So we are going to try this Pine Glo and Vinegar solution to see how it's going to clean that off. And I'm just going to wet my sponge. And I have my solution, so I'm just going to dab this in and just clean this and see. Oh wow, I can smell it. Oh wow, you can see the shyness already. So this does really work. Oh wow. Look at how shiny that is already. I have not even... Oh wow, that's amazing. Gives some shine to these as well. Oh my goodness, that really works. And then we're just gonna wash this off. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh my goodness, look at the shine. Wow, this is amazing. It does work. Oh wow. Oh wow, look at the shine. Look at how shiny this is. All the way to here. Look at that. Oh my, well, that really works. Let's wipe this off. Oh my goodness, look at the shine. That's amazing. Oh my goodness, I can even see myself in there. Look at how shiny this is. Oh, that is amazing. That is amazing. Look at the shining. Look at that. Well, that really cleans well. That's amazing. Look at my sink faucet. We are going to try this on here to see how that's going to clean as well. And also inside my sink. Alright, so I am just going to start wiping this. And just try to go to these angles here. Oh wow, it is shining already. I'm going to try inside the sink. Wow. I'm going to start rinse this out. Oh my, look at the brightness. It's amazing. Oh, wow. goodness, look at the brightness. Look at that. Look inside. See how all that is filthy? It all came off. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness, look at that. Clean, shining bright. Oh, that is lovely. So it does work. You can use it to shine your faucet, your shower head, and disinfect your bathroom floor. And I'm going to use it to clean the bottom of my toilet bowl to see how that effective that can be. You see all that stain. So I added this is warm water with dish soap, and then we're just gonna wipe off what I've just used here. Oh my goodness, look, all the stain is gone. Oh my wow, look at all that stain. That's amazing. Oh my goodness, this is so disinfectant. So look at our toilet bowl. Underneath it's all clean, looking so marvelous. The whole thing is disinfectant and clean, nicely wiped. That's amazing. So it's our bathtub faucet. It's all clean, neat, and it's shining, shining, shining. So shiny. Then you can see our sink faucet, it's all clean, shining. Look at that shine.